Are global regulatory changes keeping pace with your team, or is it the other way around? Hi, I'm Tomislav, and welcome back to Signal Watch. Let's make sure you're staying one step ahead. On 10th of July 2026, the International Council for Harmonization announced the publication of a new consolidated version of the ICH E6R3 Good Clinical Practice guideline, combining the principles, Annex 1 and Annex 2 into a single unified document and concluding the full revision of this Tier 1 ICH guideline. The principles and Annex 1 were adopted in January 2025, introducing a flexible, risk-based framework for interventional clinical trials. Annex 2, adopted on 3rd of June 2026, adds GCP considerations for trials with decentralized elements, pragmatic designs, and real-world data use. As some regulatory authorities had already begun implementing the earlier parts, ICH will make Annex 2 available as a separate document until December 2026, after which only the consolidated version will be maintained. Secondly, the Egyptian Drug Authority has published the version 3 of the Guideline on Good Pharmacovigilance Practice for Pharmaceutical Products, effective 9th of July 2026. The update introduces many changes across the guideline. New quality system requirements were introduced for outsourcing of PV tasks, including the QPPV role. ICSR reporting framework was substantially expanded. Digital platforms, patient support programs, market research programs, and organized data collection systems are now explicitly addressed as data sources. Additionally, PBR requirements were removed for generic, well-established use homeopathic and traditional herbal products. Risk minimization measure obligations have also been expanded, highlighting that MACs must distribute approved RMMs, ensure their continued availability at the supplying institutions, and submit compliance progress reports via the authority portal. And that's all for this week's Signal Watch update. We hope you found it useful. And if you did, make sure you're subscribed to the newsletter so you can get these insights every week. Until next time.